Minecraft is a perfect vehicle to study social phenomena because it provides the means to implement controlled experiments at the scale of whole societies. There are user-run servers with thousands of participating players who build villages and over time form macro-scale relationships that resemble governments and economies. We create a Minecraft mod that extends the game's default mechanics to further facilitate cooperative behavior between players. With this, we seek to answer the question: which personalities work best together in activities that necessitate collaboration? Our first step is to measure the personality factors of each participating player. We create an in-game survey that uses 50 questions to calculate a personality vector under the popular 5-factor personality model. Next, we have implemented several competitive minigames to quantify group success. They were both designed so that good strategizing and communication with your teammates is crucial to successfully overtake the opposing teams. In the Warfare game, teams start with a small highlighted area of land, which represents their territory. Part of the team's goal is to protect their territory at all costs. In this game, teams fight to the death. Whenever you kill a player from the other team, they drop gems which allow you to steal a small portion of the other team's territory. The two primary ways to win this game are to either steal all of the other team's territory, or to be the team with the most kills when the timer runs out. We foresee 3 main roles that team members may take on in this game. The offensive role, which consists of the group of members from your team which engage the other team in combat and try to steal their territory. The defensive role, which is the group members that stay back at your base and try to protect it from invaders. Lastly, the scouting role, which is the group of members who search the world for resources and minerals. These can be used to create better weapons and armor for your team. In the treasure game, treasure chests spawn around the game world, highlighted by beacons. The goal is to coordinate your team members to cover lots of ground and collect as many of these chests as possible. In this game, teams also have territory, which contain 4 special blocks called altars. Each of the chests contain fragments of emblems, which can be pieced back together and inserted into the altar of the same color to activate it. The first team to activate 3 of their 4 altars wins. This requires good communication to keep track of the fragments each team member has found so far. We have a data logger running during the game, which records all of the players' gameplay-related activities and statistics, the most important of which is the teams that won the minigames and the personality makeup of that winning team's members. We then analyze this recorded data to try to find trends in which personality compositions resulted in the most successful teams. In the first pass of the experiment, teams are assigned randomly. However, in the second pass, we assign teams deliberately based on our findings from analyzing the data. The goal of our experiment is to see if we can achieve better group success this way compared to when groups were assigned randomly.